a new topic, that is pattern. In this we will see the observations and you will get to know that with this observation you can do the sum very quickly. Now let's see the first observation, that is sum of 3 consecutive numbers. What do you mean by consecutive numbers? 1 plus 2 plus 3. This is consecutive numbers. 3 plus 4 plus 5. This is consecutive number. Suppose 7 plus 8 plus 9. These are consecutive numbers. So how you will get the sum of 3 consecutive numbers? Just you have to see the middle number and multiply 3 times the middle number. So 2 into 3 is what? 6. So answer is 6. 4 3s are 12. Now 8 3s are 24. Is that clear? Suppose you have 22, 23, 24. What will the answer? We have to just multiply 23 by 3, so we'll get 69. This is the sum. Now let's see the second observation, that is sum of 4 consecutive numbers. What are consecutive numbers? 4 consecutive, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, or you can say 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. This is consecutive numbers. Now you can also see 21 plus 22 plus 23 plus 24. Now we have to find the sum of these 4 consecutive numbers instantly. Or in this front you have to do just add the middle number and multiply by 2. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 is a 10. So the answer is 10. Here 8 plus 9, that is 7. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 to the 34. Now here 22 and 25. 22 and 23 is 45. 45 into 2 is 90. So this is the way you can directly. Now the third observation is sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers. In this you have to find out the odd numbers. Suppose 1 plus 3 plus 5. This is consecutive odd numbers, 3 odd numbers. Suppose 7, 9 and 11. So this is next 3, 7, 9, 11 are consecutive numbers. Now you can also take 21, 23, 25. This is odd consecutive numbers. Is that clear? So what you have to do, just find out the middle number and multiply it by 3. So 3 3s are 9. So this will give you that sum 9. Now 9 3s are 27. Is that clear? So sum will be 7, 9, 11. The sum is 27. Now for these 3 consecutive odd numbers, sum of these 3 consecutive odd numbers is just multiply 23 by 3. that is 69. 69 is this. Now the fourth observation is sum of even consecutive numbers. Suppose 2 plus 4, second 2 plus 4 plus 3, 4 plus 6, third 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14, and fourth one is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18. Suppose these are the numbers. So what you have to do, just count the digit 1, 2, 2, and what will come next? That is 3. After 2, what number will come? That is 3. 2, 3 is 6. Sum will be 6. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers are there, and what comes after 3? That is 4. So the sum is 12. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 multiplied by the next number. That is successor of 7 is 8. 7 is 56. So the answer is 56. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 multiplied by 8. 9 multiplied by 10, that is equals to 90. Is that clear? So in this way we can add the consecutive even numbers. Here numbers are not fixed. If that number must start with 2, and just you have to count the digits and multiply with the successor of that digit. Suppose 1, 2, 3. What is the successor of 3? That is 4. 3 4s are 12. So answer you will get instantly. Now the next observation is, when we multiply 11 into 11 or 111 into 111 or 1111 into 111 4 times. Here 111111 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 111111 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, in this type of question you can directly find the product. So always remember, just you have to count the number of how many ones are there. So here we have 2 ones. So the middle digit of your product will be 2. So 1, 2, 1. This will be the answer. Now here 111 into 111. So here the 3 ones are there. So the middle number of product is 3. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Now here we have 4. So the middle digit will be 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to go on increasing till the middle number and then go on decreasing. Right? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 is the middle number, middle digit. Now you have to decrease. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this will be the answer. Now next observation. When we multiply any number with the same number and one's place is 5. For example, suppose 15 multiplied by 15 or 35 multiplied by 35 or 65 multiplied by 65 or 75 multiplied by 75, or you can say 150 multiplied by 150. So these are the numbers, and you can observe in ones place you are getting 5. Here 35 ones place is 5. In 65 ones place is 5. 75 ones place is 5. And in 115 ones place is 15. What you have to do, just check which is in tens place or which is before 5. So that is 1. Now what comes after 1? That is 1 2 the 2. Just multiply 1 with the successor of 1. That is 2. So 1 into 2 is 2, and for 5 you have to write 25. Is that clear? Now this is 3. What is the successor of 3? That is 4. 4 3s are 12 and 25. Now 6. What comes after 6? 6 7 6 are 42. So 42 2 5. Now here 75. 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56 and 2 5. Now here we have to take 2 digits, that is 11. 11 into 12. What will be 11 into 12? So that will be 1 3 2 2 5. Is that clear? One more observation is there, and that will help you to give a correct answer instantly. In that this portion is not in your book, but we will discuss. Suppose you have to multiply any number by 11. So 23 into 11, 36 into 11, or 42 into 11, or 1 2 3 4 into 11. See, these all numbers we have to multiply by 11. So for that, what you have to do, just write 2 and here 3 and add these two numbers. That is 2 plus 3 is what? 5. So 253 is the sum, is the product. Now here 396 is the answer. Can you guess how it is? 3 plus 6 is 9, and 9 you will write in the middle of that two numbers. Right? 2 digits. 42. In between 4 and 2 you have to write the sum. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So 462. This will be the answer. Now if the number is not 2 digits but that is 4 digits, so what you will do, or before looking this example, see first this example, that is suppose 56 is there and that you have to multiply it by 11. So in this case the answer is more than 9. That means you are getting 2 digit number, that is 6 plus 5 is 11. So you will write 6 as it is, then 11 is the sum. So one's place is 1 and 1 will be carried to 5. 5 will become 6. One more example, suppose 76 into 11, or 78. Suppose 78 into 11. So you will write first 8, then 8 plus 7 is what? 15. So 5 and 1 carried to 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Is that clear? So this is how we have to do the multiplication by 11. Now this is 4 digit number. How you will do this type of question? Just write 4 first. This is the ones place, 4. Then add 4 plus 3 is 7. Then 3 plus 2 is 5. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. And then 1 as it is. So this will be the answer of this much bigger number. Is that clear? And all we are multiplying by 11. So I hope you have understood the concept behind multiplying multiplying any number by 11. Is there? If you know this is 6 divided by 2, you will get what? 3. if we increase the number of zeros in dividend, this is dividend, this is divisor, and this is quotient. Is that clear? So if we add zeros to dividend, then the quotient will also be increased by that much number of zeros. Is that clear? For example, 6 0 0 0 divided by 2, that is 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Is that clear? Suppose one more, 1 2 3 4 5, and we are dividing by 2. So the answer we know, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now count the zeros, 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. So this will be the answer. Is that clear? I hope you have understood. So for the timing, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. As usual, God bless.